Hi, I'm Brenda Sokolowski from Circles on the Square, and today we're going to make one of our popular vegetarian sandwiches, the number 25, the Kirby Wallbanger. You can make this at home. It's easy and it's good. This sandwich is made with 3 cheeses, all the vegetables we have, and our famous Clancy's hot sauce. So let's start. We do this on pumpernickel bread. We put on sun-dried tomato, honey-cut mustard. We have 3 cheeses, American, Swiss, and provolone. Then we start with our vegetables. A layer of cucumbers, fresh peppers, now we add our tomatoes. Then we add alfalfa sprouts, balsamic vinegar, and then the Clancy's hot sauce. A couple ingredients and a couple minutes and you have a Kirby Wallbanger.